Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel InfoRosan and I hope you are doing well. Friend, what if I told you that you can learn data science for free and also get a certificate? Yes, absolutely free. So friend, in this video we are going to check about the free certification course on the data science or the data analytics. And friend, this course is provided by the Reliance Foundation, and the best part is you don't need to be from a technical background to understand it. And in this video, I will also show you what the course covers, how you can join, and how this pre-certificate can boost your career. So friend, you can see here, this is the sample certificate which you will get after the completion of the course. So without wasting our time, let's start the video. So friend, you can see here, we are at the official page of the Reliance Foundation Skilling Academy, and you can see here the course name is given, that is a data science for everyone. And friend, you can see here the duration of the course. You can see it is about you can see 180 hours, and you can see the skills you will learn like the data analysis, interpretation, problem solving skills, and analytics. And you can see here the course level is intermediate, and any graduate can come means apply for this course. And the candidates who want to make their career in the data science fields, all the college going students who want to pursue their education in or masters in data science, then this is the very good opportunity for you guys. And friend, you can see here you will master essentials, statistical concepts, and data visualization techniques to communicate data insights effectively. And you will also get the real world examples in the healthcare industry, businesses, and research, and you will discover the vast application of data science and how the data will impact on the world. So all these things you will learn here. And talking about the modules, you can see here the first module you will learn regarding the introduction to data science. So what is the meaning of data science, data analytics, how is the data? So all these things you will learn in the module 1. And talking about the module 2, that is the data preparation, means you get the raw data, then you have to clean it and organize it. So all these type of things you will learn in the data preparation. Then in the module 3 you can see data analysis and visualization. So once you get the data, how you will analyze it and how you will find out the insights from the data, and how you will show it to the audience or in your meetings using the various visualizations like the graphs, charts, and some other things. So all these things you will learn in module 3. And in the module 4 you can see you will learn regarding the application of data science. So friend, these are the modules you are going to learn. So let's check how you will register, and then we are going to check about the certification and other things. So, so friend, I have provided the link in the video description box. So once you open, then you will come to this page, and then you have to click on the start course. And once you click, then start course, then this type of page will appear. So here you have to write your phone number, and once you write your phone number, then you will get the OTP. And once you enter the OTP, then a new window will open where you have to provide your details like first name, last name, and some other details which you have to fill. And once you fill, then your ID will be created. So friend, I have already participated in this course, so I will show you how the window looks like. And before that, if you are not subscribed our channel InfoRosan yet, please subscribe. We are making the free certification courses, jobs and internship opportunity, and technology related videos. So please subscribe InfoRosan. So friend, once your ID is created and you will log in, then this data science for everyone course will add in your profile. So you can see here I have already logged in, and this course is added in my profile. So again we have to click on this continue course, and once you click, then you will come to this page here. So you can see here this is the login window here. So once you enroll, then you will see the content here like course introduction, then the different modules I have told you in the starting of the video, and below the each module you will see the progress icon, means how much percentage you have completed it. So once this change from 0% to 100%, then then this module will be complete. And friend, one of the very important thing here, that at the end of the modules, you have to do the one examination, which you have to complete. Like you can see here, course assessment. Once you complete this course assessment, then you will get the certificates. All the questions in the course assessment will be asked from these modules only, so not to worry about that. So here you can see, I will show you the small sample video, means how the content is available in this course. So you can check it. uh, Friend, due to some issue, you can see here, Nice today revolves around data. You can see here, this type of welcome learner small videos you will get, data using that you can complete it. And friend, you will get the very good content here. And if you have any queries regarding this course or any suggestion, please comment on the video. We are definitely check your questions and provide you the answers. And friend, please subscribe Info Ocean. Thank you.